Hi natural lovers, welcome back to my page. So on today's video I'll be showing you how I made this powerful hair butter that will keep your hair super moisturized, reduce breakage and make it softer and easier to manage. It's also amazing for strengthening your strands, sealing in moisture and helping you retain length. So without further ado, just jump straight into the ingredients of this hair butter. And our first ingredient will be hibiscus powder. So I'll just go straight ahead to measure 2 tablespoons of this hibiscus powder into a clean jar. The next ingredient I'll be adding is olive oil. You can use coconut oil or any other form of oil. So I just added olive oil to cover up the hibiscus powder. Then I went ahead to stir it together properly. Hibiscus powder is rich in vitamin A and C and also amino acid that helps in nourishing the hair. It strengthens hair follicles and stimulates dormant follicles, encouraging new growth. So I just added a little bit more of my olive oil. Just add enough oil that will help dissolve the powder properly. So I will just stir this, making sure there is no more lumps in it. Then I'm going to cover this up and set it aside while we prepare the base of this hair butter. So I set this aside for about 3 hours. You can set yours aside for 3 hours, 8 hours, or even overnight. The longer it stays, the more potent it becomes. So in making our base, we'll be using some shea butter. You can also substitute shea butter for mango butter, or if you want to use both as well, there is both shea butter and mango butter. You can combine the two together as well. So I just went ahead to scoop some of this shea butter into my bowl in no particular quantity at all. So because I'll be dissolving this shea butter, I'll just go ahead and mash it up a little bit for easy dissolving. The smaller it is in proportion, the easier it dissolves faster. So guys, quick reminder, in case you've not given this video a thumbs up, please do all to like this video, okay? So here is our oil. After it has infused, we'll just go straight ahead and strain it using a cheesecloth. So after straining it, here is my melted shea butter. I used the double boiler method to melt it. So I'll just go in with some amount of my hibiscus oil. If you want your butter to be too strong, then you have to use more shea butter and less oil. But if you want your butter to be lighter, then you have to use more oil compared to the shea butter. So after that, I added some drops of lavender just to elevate the scent of this hair butter. Then I stirred it together and I'm going to be leaving it to solidify. You can put it inside the freezer or inside the fridge, or you can as well allow it to solidify on its own. Just give it a little time. So after it has solidified, this is how it looks. I just had to use a spoon to soften it a little bit since I'll be using a small hand mixer. So I just wanted to soften it so it will be easy for the mixer to mix. If you're using a bigger mixer, then you just have to go ahead and use the mixer straight up and avoid this process. But if you don't have a mixer as well, you can just use a spoon or a spatula to beat this up very well. As I'm doing, just beat it up very well until it's smooth and a bit fluffy. So not having a mixer is not an excuse for you not to try this hair butter. Okay, you can use spoon, spatula and whisk it, or even a normal hand whisker. You can use it to whisk this and you still get a good result. After softening it, I went in with my electric hand mixer so I can give this a very good whip, because I needed a lighter and fluffy butter. So this hair butter is amazing for twist out and braids out, giving you defined soft results. It's also good for protective styles because it keeps your hair nourished while tucked away. You can also use this butter as a daily moisture refresh. Just apply a little when your hair feels dry. So I noticed my butter was a bit stronger than the consistency that I was going for. Then I had to add in my remaining oil. Like I said, if you want it more lighter, add more oil, and if you feel that it's too runny, melt more butter and add into it. After adding my remaining oil, I still went ahead to whisk this. I whisked it until it doubled in size and it was looking very fluffy. Stopping at intervals to get all the butter by the corner of my bowl so that everything can mix in properly. You can see how the texture is changing from solid to smooth and it's turning to fluffy. This is exactly how you know your butter is getting ready. Look at that. This looks so delicious. Like, it looks so yummy, like an ice cream. I just felt like I could just lick this up. I'm sure our thoughts are the same too. It's looking tantalizing, isn't it? Let me know what you think about the look of this cream on the comment section. Now let's talk about the application. The best way to use this butter is on slightly damp or freshly washed hair. That way it seals in the water and keeps your hair moisturized for days. You just have to take a small amount of this, rub it in between your palms to melt it, then gently work it through your hair in sections. Pay special attention to your ends because they are the oldest parts and the most fragile part of your hair. I'm sure you know that already. Now, this is how you store this hair butter. You have to keep it in a cool place away from direct sunlight so that it doesn't melt. If your room is too hot, you can keep this inside the refrigerator. And also make sure you don't introduce water into this container because that will reduce its shelf life. As it is this way, it can last you months without getting spoiled because there is no water base in it, it's just oil. One of the mistakes you should avoid is applying too much of this butter at once. Remember, this butter is rich, so start with small amount and build up only if your hair needs more, okay? Another mistake is using it on dirty or product-filled hair. Always apply this butter on a clean or at least a refreshed hair so that the nutrients can actually penetrate. So here we come to the end of today's class. I want you to do two things for me. Drop a heart in the comment section if you're going to be trying out this recipe, and also I want you to subscribe and join the family because I've got even more natural hair secrets and DIYs coming your way. Until next time guys, keep your crown shining, stay consistent, and remember, your hair is your crown.